Hello friends, welcome back to CADCAM station, and as you can see here we are again going to work with Fanuc series 15M, and let me just show you what type of job we are going to work with. So this is the circular job as you can see, and we are going to perform operation, center drill and area clearance inside of it. So this is the thickness of the our job, and I'm going to put this job on the bed, and after that I'm going to show you how I'm going to produce GM codes by using Camworks inside Solidworks. So as you can see here, I'm going to place this specimen like this, and let me just show you inside the computer. So this is the output we want from the VMC operation. So this is at the center we are going to operate area clearance, and as you can see here I have already set machine, stock and coordinate. If you have seen my previous video, you can check that video how to do that. In order to create mill part setup, you can go Camworks and setup, and this way you can create your mill part setup. So in this area you can create your operations. So under the mill part setup 3, as you can see, this is the area clearance, and we are blocking the tool to go inside of this bore. And how we're gonna do that, let me just show you by just go to edits in the area clearance. So let me just show you the settings that we are using. So this is the tool we are using to do area clearance. If you know all the parameters of your tool, you can enter that. Under the feed speed, you can enter all this. Under the pattern, I'm using pocket out, and this is the maximum and minimum step over. Under the area clearance, I'm going to use 0 because I have already moved the face up to which we want the clearance. So manually, I'm not going to install any alliance. So 0.3 of cut, and NC I'm using 25. These are the default value, to be honest with you guys. So I'm gonna use by level. Under the entry level, I'm gonna use ramp 1 and 2 degrees. So this is all. I'm gonna leave these values as it is. And let me just show you the contain area. The contain area is nothing but the area under which the tool is going to operate, and the tool is not going out of it. Okay, so this is the contain area, and now is the time to show you the avoid area. So the avoid area is the area in which the tool is not going to enter no matter what. So this is how I get the result like this. So let me just show you the central drill operation over here. So this is the central drill I'm going to use. So let me just show you the settings I'm using for this operation. Under the feed speed and under the center drill, I'm using spot drilling. So this is only one go, and everything is by default. I'm not changing anything over here like this. I'm going to leave it as it is. You can change the start point wherever you want. So after processing, you can get this. So this is the drill operation, as you can see under the settings. Let me just show you some changes. Under the peck setting, it is by default, I guess, 2 millimeter, and under the NC, I'm gonna leave everything. Let me just change the value for you guys if you think how to change the peck value. So this is the Q value under the GM code. So this is the 3 millimeter of peck I'm using, or the Q value. So I'm gonna leave everything as it is, and I'm gonna click on OK. Preview, I guess, and then after previewing, so everything is okay. Now right click, go to post process, and you can save your program wherever you want and name your program according to the tool use and operation use on your job in order to identify on the later on stages. So now you can click on play in order to generate the program and open the program inside the NC editor. So let me just, now the GM codes are ready, and I'm going to bring these GM codes inside the machine by using pen drive. So now is the time to go to the machine, and this is the end mill. With the help of this end mill, I'm going to touch in the X direction and half of it, Y direction and half of it, and in this way I'm getting the center of this circular job. This is now the mode is under handle, and I'm gonna change this from handle to MDI. Under the MDI, you can enter your code to check some particular things. Like for this example, I'm using G0, G90, G54. This is the so then X0, Y0, and insert. So the code are entered, and all I need is to start cycle, and this tool should go exactly at the center of this round object or circular object. So this is, as you can see, this is at the center of the circular object. And let me just bring that tool down to make sure, or just to show you that this is at the middle of this job. So now the program is inside the pen drive, and I'm gonna put this pen drive into the drip feeder, and the program is loaded, the tool is set, and this is currently on handle, and I'm gonna make sure it is on tape. Everything is under control, and now all I need is to start the cycle, resetting it, and this is the start cycle, and it should work fine. So I'm really sorry about the quality of the video, because I'm making this with the help of my smartphone, so the quality of this video is a little bit wiggling. So I will make sure that I will promise you guys to improve the quality of this video if you really wanted to learn something. But all I need your help, that you please like my videos and subscribe to my channel, so it will help me to give more quality content for you in the future. So as you can see, the center drill is on its position, so this the operations are going very well. So after the center drill operation, I'm going to use the drill operation. So as you can see, the operation is almost done. So the operation is complete, and let me just show you here. So these are the center marks I have over on this circular shape. So now is the time to show you how to drill, and the program is loaded. I'm on tape, machine is on tape, and now all I need is to start the cycle. So the drill is running. And I will show you after completion of this drill process. After the completion of this drill process, I'm going to use the 25mm end mill to clear the area at the center of this circular block. So this is basically the roughing operation I'm going to use with this end mill at the center of this block. So the tool is locked and on its position, and here you can see the program is loaded. The machine is currently on tape, which helps the drip feeder to run, and everything is under control. All I need is to start the operation. And after the completion of this operation, I will show you the final result, how it looks like when the roughing operation is complete. So you can see here. So this is as you can see on the computer screen, this is what exactly happening on the VMC machine. So this is the exact tool path is followed by the tool here. So you can see here the surface is, the area is clearing the way we want. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like the video, so please like the video and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more content like this, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Keep watching CADCAM Station, signing out for now.